Hey, hello guys. So today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic of WebDriverManager API. Okay, so to give you a brief about this, we all know that like if we have the basics about Selenium, we all know that whenever we want to launch any browser, may it be Chrome, may it be uh, like Safari, Opera, Firefox, IE, anything like, right? So whenever we want to launch any browser, what we need to do? Okay, so let me tell you what we need to do is we need to do system dot set property, and then we need to specify the key. Like say if I'm using Chrome, I'll have to do WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, right? And then here I need to put a path, right? Path of what? Now, if I want to do, like if I want to execute my tests on Chrome browser, right? So there is a Chrome driver executable. So there is a binary which is provided by Selenium community, and there are few third parties also, right? So for each browser, there are few binaries which are being launched by them, right? We need to download those binaries, obviously depending on our OS and depending on our like is our machine 32-bit, 64-bit, and so on. Right. So depending on that, you need to download the executable, and then you need to provide the path of your executable right here. Right. And only after that you can write, or you can write the code to launch your browser, right? Now same is for IE, same is for Firefox, same is for any other browser. Now what's the problem with this particular approach, right? So let's try to understand that. Okay, say you have Chrome browser 79 installed in your machine. Okay, now guys, this number is just fake, right? I'm not sure about the exact compatibility versions. Okay, so I'm just giving a hypothetical numbers here. Okay, so say for example, maybe you have Chrome browser 79 installed. So the executable that is compatible with it could be 2.45.0, for example. Okay, so when you had Chrome driver 79, what you did was you went to the official site, you downloaded this particular executable of version 2.45, and your test case was running. Right now, tomorrow, if you get Chrome browser 80, right? Say your Chrome browser got updated, right? In that case, your test case would start failing. Why? Because you had this 2.45.0, which would not be compatible with this particular version, right? So what these people do is, as soon as your browser gets updated, there will be a new release for this executable also, and then that executable would be compatible with it, right? So say for example, you got a new executable release for 2.46.0, and now this executable is compatible with 80. Okay, so now if you want to run, what you'll need to do is your test case will fail. So what you'll do is you'll see that, okay, hey, my Chrome got updated. So you need again to go to the official site, download this particular version, re-reference it in your code, and then your code is going to run. Okay, now these seems to be a headache in multiple cases, right? Because first thing, you always need to download the new binaries depending on whenever your browser gets updated. Another thing, there can be multiple conditions. Sometimes you don't have the rights to download, or there can be an n number of conditions, right? So, and also the biggest challenge is you need to find out that, okay, which Chrome driver executable version is compatible with my Chrome browser version. Okay, that's also a challenge, right? So there's a person called Bonnie Gracia, which we should really thank. Okay, so what he have done for us is, we'll quickly see. Let me comment this out. Okay, I'll go to my Chrome. Okay, guys. So you see here, we have a Maven dependency with his name known as WebDriver Manager. Okay, let us go inside this. Okay, so I'm here, right? I'll go to the latest version, which is 4.0.0. whenever you're seeing this particular video, whatever the latest version is, you can just pick up that version. Okay, so I'll just copy this dependency. Okay, I'll go back to my Eclipse. Okay, I'll go to my pom.xml file. Okay, and I'm going to add this dependency right here. Okay, let us save it. Okay, so as soon as you save it, what will happen is this dependency will be referenced in your particular project. Okay, so that we can see in Maven dependency folder. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's here. So you see, we have got this particular dependency right here, right? Okay, now right now I'm using a Maven project, but guys, if say you're not using a Maven project, you're just using a simple project and you're like starting working on Selenium or something. So what you can do is, guys, you here is a link for its jar, right? You can simply click on it. This jar will get downloaded, and then you can reference that particular jar in your project. Okay, you can do it either way. Now, coming back, as I have this jar right here, what I can do now is let's see both ways. Okay, so let us do some coding. So I'll write WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, then let me import it. Okay, so let's do the following: driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, and then I will navigate to driver dot get. Maybe I go to https www.amazon.com. Okay, and then I say CISA I print driver dot title. Okay, I'm doing a very simple code right now, guys. Okay, just to make us understand the feature of this particular WebDriver manager. Okay, driver dot quit. Let's see what happens in this case. Okay, I'll run it. Okay, so it has failed. I'll just bring it down. And if you see here, guys, it says illegal state exception. The path to the driver executable must be set by webdriver.chrome.driver system property. Right? That's what we discussed here. That if we are like normally using Selenium, what we need to do is we need to do the system.set property. Webdriver.chrome.driver is what I wrote here. That's what you can see here, right? So we have to set up this system property. Only then this Chrome is going to get launched, right? Now, the beauty of WebDriver Manager, right? I'm not going to take the headache of anything. You need not take the headache that okay, which browser version is installed, which binary should I download, and then referencing it. No, nothing. Okay, so what you need to do is simply you need to say to your WebDriver manager that okay, hey, I want my Chrome driver setup. That's all, guys. What this line is going to do? This line is going to automatically detect the version of the browser that you are working on or that this test will be running on. Okay, and accordingly, it will reference the binary appropriate for your particular machine. Okay, so let's try running the code now. So you see here, guys, my browser has opened, it has navigated to Amazon, and now it should just close, right? And I also see its, okay, and I also see my title here, right? And my test case has passed, right? I did not download any executable, I did not do anything. Okay, so irrespective of your of the machine in which this test case is going to run, if it is 32-bit, 64-bit, if it is a Mac or it is a Windows, whatever it is. Okay, irrespective of any version, it's going to handle everything for you and you just need to sit back and relax, right? Okay, so before ending up, I'll just talk about few more very interesting features. Okay, just that we know about it. Okay, so coming here, Like I said, you can work on anything. So we worked on Chrome, but then you have for Chromium, for Edge, for Firefox, for IE, for Opera. So you can work on any browser that you wish to. Okay, that's the first thing. Another thing. Now, ideally, WebDriver Manager is going to take care that whether you need to download the 32-bit, 64-bit version and everything. Okay, but say you want to explicitly tell it that no, I want 32-bit is suitable to get downloaded. I want 64-bit binary to get downloaded. Okay, so you can use these particular functions, arc32 or arc64. Okay, apart from this. Okay, here is a proxy thing. Okay, so say you want to pass this Chrome through some proxy. Okay, your organization maybe requires some proxy thing to pass on for this thing to work or something similar, right? So these are the functions provided in which you can put your proxy credentials and URL and everything. Okay. So that's all for this video, guys. And obviously, like this particular WebDriver Manager do have many more other functionalities which you can achieve. Like we can see here, we haven't talked about everything because honestly, when I haven't worked on everything, okay. But then there's browser path, and I did also see something called yes, operating system, right? So feel free to try these things also. I'm sure these things are also going to be very helpful. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and keep learning, keep coding. Bye bye.